How to make text move in CapCut. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Launch your CapCut application. And then skip the ads if you get any. Let me put a text over here, for example. Now as you can see, I have added a text, and now simply select the text from this bar, then go to animations. Now you will be able to move text like this. Simply select what animation you want, select different effects. So basically you will have to use the animation function to make your text move in CapCut. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.